Right, I know I said it wasn't going to be like this anymore, but we've got this Huawei P Smart 2019 to fix today. It's for the kids' friends, so couldn't really not get the SIM card out first, so as we don't snap it when we're taking the screen off. I just want to find some sort of iSesame or something, maybe in here. Put them aside. Right, this is what I was after. So first thing that we need to do is get the screen out of here, get the whole thing out, which will just be like a sort of prise out of here job. It's all in, the screen's in a big frame, so we're just going down here, snapping the frame out of the housing. Same on this side. And then there's going to be a connector in here for the fingerprint scanner, so you need to be careful not to just rip it off. There we go. Yeah, don't rip it off like that. So now get this bit of tape off, which is just covering up these connectors for the screen, but we can't get to it yet. That's the screen there and the battery, the right one. So just get that screw over there. Now we'll start with the battery connector. Take that out, and then we'll get the fingerprint scanner off. The screen connector, which again, this is a total pain in the neck and this is like the charger board connector. Yeah, it's a total pain in the neck, so all we need to replace is the screen, but we've got to take the whole bloody thing apart, which is a nightmare. Get these screws out. So we'll just get that bit of tape off. Hopefully you're not just getting my head in this shot again, because that was a bit annoying last time. Put that there. Get this bit off. Go there. Keep that screwing up the cameras, I guess. Get them out. Oh, we'll just get this wee antenna cable out of there as well. And I think that's all. This little nub in here is holding it in. A wee bit awkward. There we go. We go there. Little bits of pink goop. Lovely. I'll just take this piece out because it might fall out when we're doing stuff after. That one will stay in. Right, now get the battery out. Handy little tabs here for getting the battery out. Let's see, can we get something in the ear to help? Let's give it a gentle... It'd be good to reuse this adhesive if we can. Just a gentle little helping hand here. Release yourself, young man. Come on, you can do it. We do need to reuse this battery, so we don't want it going all angry pillow on us. If you don't know what I'm talking about with that, look up r/angry pillow on Reddit. Angry pillows. We need to take this off. Good. Put that there. It's relatively painless. And now, this guy, that's what we're interested in. So we need to get the screen off. For that, we'll need to heat it up a wee bit without blasting all this stuff everywhere. Stand by. Oh, blasting. It's not very hot. I'm not sure if that made any difference. Let's just try and get it off. It's broken anyway. What difference does it make? Not like we have to be all, oh my god, you might break the screen. It's already smashed to bits. Right, there we go. Broken glass in the finger alert. Must avoid. Who's that? Right. Come on. Concentrate, Andy. Concentrate. You can do this. Not bad there. Let's try this thing. See if this will help us to achieve our goals. Right there. I don't think it matters. I'm not going to break anything yet, but there's a big wire down there. There's nothing up the top, so let's get the top. Well, I'm not going to break anything that matters anyway, because it's getting replaced. Right, good. There we go. And then there's a nice little wire coming out there. Put that in the bin. Right, so we just want to get all the broken glass off the edge here. So, give that a wee bash. Give that a wee tap. Get the little shards out. Down here. Oh, there's another bit. A little bit of glass there. Good. Right, where's the new screen? Here, which was provided by the person who wants this fixed. So this is going to go in there like that. Sit on top. And just make sure there's no high bits or anything that I've missed with the glass. Oh, see there? Not going down, so there must be a bit of glass there. Yep. Right there. Go to hell. How dare you? That as well. Try again. Looks better. Any high bits there? Nope. There, nope. Just that speaker bit. And that's pretty good. I'm just going to glue it. I've got the good glue here, so we'll just use that. Right. So we just sort of smear this on. Just a wee bead all the way down. And around the corner. But not so far because we don't want to cover up sensors and whatnot. Running all the way up there. You might be able to see the shiny. Around there. Oh my god. Shaky. Put the lid back on. Right, and then we want to stick it in here. Like we did before. Get this all pushed down, and this is quite a good high tack stuff, this T8000. It just sticks on super quick, so there shouldn't be any drying time required. Where's that ended up there? Is that supposed to be there? Yeah, I think it was. Is it? No, that goes on top of the battery. This goes there. Right. So now while we're reassembling it, hopefully that glue will set. So first thing, put the battery back in. Oh shit, is this going to even stick anymore? So this goes in here. That, is it sticky? Yeah, sticky enough. And then this guy, it screws back in. Screw. Oh, put that guy back in. First, you can go back in. And the screen connector, just plug in these connectors back in there. Screen connector, charger board connector, these are all plugged in, not the battery yet. And then this is the cover. So if I have no idea when this stopped recording. Anyway, it's done now. It's replaced. I don't even know if you got to see it. Goodbye.